Should I take a loan if my family can support my education for higher education in India or abroad? Definitely no. If your family can support it, it would not be a good idea to go for a student loan. There are numerous reasons for it. The first and the most primary reason is the amount that you require to pay right now. Let's say you require that you need to pay 10 lakhs right now. That amount would turn out to be in aggregate nearly 20 to 25 lakhs. If it is a simple interest, if it is a compound interest, it can turn up higher in case you go for a loan. So automatically you are paying for a bigger amount. Also, you are paying for a longer duration. You need to ensure that you have consistent income during that period, that huge period, in order to repay the loan. And also, one very important thing is, sometimes if you forget to pay a EMI, you might be charged as late payment fees. But in case certain banks also charge a prepayment fees, because if you take a loan for a longer duration and you are ready to complete that loan in a shorter period, you might be charged a higher rate. So all those things you have to clarify in advance with the bank before even giving it a thought to take a student loan.